show, and today we have a special guest. Jelly. We're making
jelly?
Chocolate chip Oreo-stuffed cookies.
Love, desire, passion. Really gon' lie, I ain't gon' lie. You give me butterflies. When the rain is pouring down on my face, you are my sunshine.
Just cleaning the butter.
Holding my pillow, just can't seem to replace how it feels holding you. I miss you, baby.
We decided to eat quail eggs while Lauren works on her cookies.
The ocean. You was like the ocean. I love you, baby.
Who's win? I want to do it. No, it's not your turn. All right, 13.
I'm swimming deep in your love. Kissing you is like sweet music. And I can't seem to let go. The way you hold my hand, girl, it tells me that you will be right by my side. Right by my side. Girl, you make me feel like
This is really sad.
That's good.
Good? Each one of us only could have finished one. That was enough for us.
It was good, but I didn't think that one cookie could just fill you up that quick. And I mean, if you want to try it, go ahead, but you know.
Jelly's in the mirror, oh my gosh! Yeah, you scoop that buddy. Scoop it real good.
Yeah.
Scooping it all day.
I'm gonna be in Nebraska, so.
Yeah, mix it. Mix it real good.
Get in it. Get in it.
Fine.